to my channel. Today we will be looking at IMO Olympiad previous questions class 7. First question, find the mean of first 7 odd natural numbers. So how we do the mean? Mean equal to total divided by total number. How many number? That is the mean. So total 7 odd natural numbers. What is the total of 7 odd natural numbers? So first 7 odd natural numbers sum. So sum of first n odd natural numbers equal to n square. So we have mean equal to n square divided by n. That's equal to n. So first 7 odd natural numbers. So it is 7 only. If it is first 8 odd natural numbers, it is 8 only. 21, 21 only. So which is the number? First n odd natural numbers. That is the mean of first n natural numbers is n only. Next question. Simplify 2 raised to p minus 8 into 8 raised to q minus 4 divided by 2 raised to p minus 11 into 8 raised to q minus 5. This is, if we do this as a and this as a, this is a raised to m by a raised to n. So it is a raised to m minus n, isn't it? So we have 2 raised to p minus 8 minus of p minus 11. I think you got the idea. Into 8 raised to q minus 4 minus of q minus 5. So it is 2 raised to p minus 8 minus of p minus p minus of minus 11 plus 11 into 8 raised to q minus 4 minus of q minus q minus of minus 5 plus 5. So it is, we have cancelled this p and minus p, q and minus q. Here 2 raised to minus 8 plus 11, that is 3. 2 cube into 8 raised to minus 4 plus 5, 1. 8 raised to 1 means 8 only. So 8 is 2 cube. So we have 2 cube into 2 cube. That is in the form a raised to m into a raised to n. That is a raised to m plus n. So 2 raised to 3 plus 3. That is 2 raised to 6. So which is the answer here? B is the correct option. Next question. If 3 by 7 of 64 percentage of x by 21 is 1280, then the value of x is 3 by 7 of 64 percentage, that is 64 by 100 of x by 21 equal to 1280. We have to find the x. So x equal to 1280, this denominator become numerator for here, into 21 into 7 into 100 divided by 3 into 64. Here 3 cancelled, here 7. 7 3s are 21. Here 8 8s are 64. Here 1 8s are 8. 48. 6 8 are 48. 0. Here 8. Once again 20. So 7 7s are 49. 49 into 2, 98. 98 000. That is the answer. A is the correct option. Next question. The sum of two consecutive multiple of 6 is 114. Find the smaller number. Sum of two consecutive multiples of 6. Multiple of 6 means 6x. isn't it? Yes. Then 2 consecutive multiple of 6, that is 6x and 6x plus 6. Then we have the sum of, that is 6x plus 6x plus 6 equal to 114. So we have to find x. 6x plus 6x is 12x equal to 114 minus 6. That's equal to 108. So x equal to 108 divided by 12. That is equal to, that's equal to 12 nines are 108. So 9 here. X equal to 9. So the numbers are 6x, that is 9 6 are 54. Then 54 plus 6, that is 60. So find the smaller number. So 54 and 60, which is the smaller? 54. So C is the correct option. Next question. In an examination, one should get 36% of maximum mark to pass. A student obtained 113 marks and is declared failed by 85 marks. The maximum marks are. So we have to find the maximum mark. So if anyone pass, that is 36%. So total marks into 36 by 100, that is 36% of x, that is the pass mark. That equal to 113 plus 85, isn't it? Yes. 113, a student obtained 113 marks and is declared failed by 85. So 113 plus 85 is the mark obtained for the pass. So that is 36%. So x into 36 by 100 equal to 113 by plus 85. So x equal to 113 plus 85 equal to 5 plus 3 8 9 1. Then x equal to 198 into 100 by 36. This is 4 nines are 36. 2 nines are 18, 2 nines are 18, 22. That is 2200 divided by 4. That is 5 fours are 20. Then 20, 5 fours are 20, 0. 550. So B is the correct option. If you have any doubt, please write in the comment box. I will clear it. If you like this video, please like my channel and please subscribe for more such sessions. Next question. The age of Ruchi and Suji are in the ratio 6:1. The sum of their ages is 56 years. What is the ratio of their ages after 6 years? So we have to find the ages of the ratio of their ages. So here 6x and x. 6x and x are the ages. Now, so sum of their ages is 56. So 6x plus x is 56. That is 7x equal to 56. So x equal to 8. That is their current ages are 6x means 8 into 6. That is 48. Then x, that is 8. Then the ratio of their ages after 6 years. So after 6 years 48 become 54 and after 6 years this becomes 14. So here the ratio is 54:14, that is 27. then 7. 27 is to 7 because both are divided by 2. So 27 is to 7. So A is the correct option. Next question. If dollar denotes plus, at denotes into, hash denotes minus, star denotes divided by, then find the value of 12 star 6 at 4 hash $3 6. So we have to find this. Star means divided by. So we have to do like this. At denotes into. So into. Hash denotes minus. Dollar denotes plus. So this is 12 divided by 6 into 4 minus 3 plus 6. So we have to do like BODMAS rule. BODMAS. That is, first we have to do bracket, then we have to do off, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first one here, bracket and off are not here. So we have to do that is division first. That is 12 divided by 6. That is 2. 2, then multiplication. 2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 3 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 minus 3. That is 11. So, which is the correct option here? B is the correct option. Next question. Find the sum of the mode and median of the given data. What is mode? What is median? Median is the number that occurs in the center when we arrange it in ascending or descending order. That is median. So we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, then 4, 4, 5 and 6. So here 11 numbers are there. So sixth one is the median. So median equal to 3. Then which is mode? Mode is the greatest, mode is the number that occurs more often. That is here more often is 2 only. 3 times 2 is there. So mode is 2. So find the sum of the median and mode. So 2 plus 3, that is 5. So B is the correct option. Next question. If 30 shirts were bought for 9,000 and out of those 10 shirts were sold for 3,500, then find the profit or loss percentage in the whole transaction. Here 30 shirts were bought for 9,000. So one shirt cost 9,000 divided by 30, isn't it? Yes, 300. Then 10 shirts were sold in 3,500. So 3,500 divided by 10. That is one shirt cost 350. So we have profit only 50. 50 rupees is the profit for one shirt. So which is the percentage? Profit percentage is 50 divided by the cost value is 300 into 100. That is 50 divided by 3 percentage. That is 26 3s are 18, 16 and 2 by 3 percentage. So A is the correct option. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more such sessions. If you like, please like also. Any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching.